Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, this is old namokar mandir frame which is with me from last 6 years. Now I want to give it a nice makeover. For that I am taking shilpkar clay and make the shape of leaf in different sizes and then stick it and make bhagwan ki ganti also. Then I am applying different color in it. You know guys, sometimes change in color and little creativity change the whole vibe. That's what I am doing it here. So enjoy the video. You guys can add more creativity according to you and also choose the color you like. If you guys are also trying this kind of thing at home, then please let me know in the comment section. Do you guys like it or not? Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe the channel. Thank you.